just want to give you a little walk round the garden on this April morning, about 6:30, with the birds singing all around me. I didn't think there was a frost last night, but it just wasn't cold enough for a frost, but probably not far off. If you look up there, there's a stalk on our chimney, and then his mate is sitting on eggs over in the nest there. I'll take you on a little walk around the cottage garden. The blossom of the crabapple looks a bit much paler in this kind of light. You can't see the pink buds so well, but it's still very beautiful actually. That's the exocorda there. The birds are calling all around me. It's a lovely morning. Looking out to the whiteness of the silver birches there. You might have just heard the moorhen in the background there. Swing around. Seems to have woken up a dog somewhere. It's back again to where the sun is rising, just over in the east there. We just walk down this cottage garden path in the very early April morning. I thought that the stork was on the chimney. I thought I could hear him when I was up in the bedroom 10 minutes ago. Just over to the east there where the sun is rising.